Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So in this video, I am going to show you on how you can find cheap flights using ChatGPT. So first is you have to open your web browser using your mobile phone and then go to chatgpt.com, and then using the search bar or the message box right here, you will then just have to type out the details or the information that you want to know. So for example, cheap flights going to US in April 2024. So you have to be specific with the month and the year. And after that, you can also add where can I find cheaper tickets? And then I just have to click on the enter button. And then here you'd be able to see different methods and how you can actually find cheaper flights using ChatGPT. So you have a flight comparison website. You can websites like Skyscanner, Kayaks, and Google Flights allows you to compare prices across different airlines and find the cheaper options. So set up price alerts. So many flight comparison websites allow you to set up price alerts to specific routes and dates. So you have to also use airline miles or rewards. If you have airline miles or rewards points, consider using them to book your flight. This can sometimes result in significant discounts or even free flights depending on your rewards program. And of course, you have to book in advance. Generally, booking your flight well in advance can help you to secure cheaper fares. However, keep in mind that last minute deals can also sometimes offer good savings, so it's worth checking closer to your travel date as well. So you just have to follow all of the methods that ChatGPT gave to you, and then you'd be able to find cheaper flights or cheaper tickets using ChatGPT. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.